So to reset the service light, we're just gonna switch on the ignition. You'll see the sat nav and stuff going on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hold this little minus button here. So you hold that down, and you're gonna put your foot on the brake, and you're gonna start the car. I'm just gonna put the phone down for 1 second. So with the car started, focus. You continue to hold the button down, and you'll see a little exclamation mark pop up. There you go. Once you have that flashing, let the button go, and it will say maintenance reminder reset. Perfect. That's, you can switch the engine off. If you want to go into car status, you can go in and check if there's any service reminders. They will come up here, say 29,000 or whatever your area is or region, and then 365 days. So happy days.